Imagine having access to totally clean water that is free from harmful chemicals like lead and mercury and PFAS. In this video right here, we are diving into how you can make water that is totally clean and safe to drink. We all want to live a healthy life. You exercise, try and live healthy by eating the right things, but do you drink healthy? Did you know that the water we consume every single day might be contaminated with toxic chemicals? And it's not just the water we drink from the tap, it's also the water from the plastic bottles filled with carcinogenic compounds leaching from the plastic inside of the water. As humans, we're made out of 70% water, so it's crucial that we drink clean and healthy water. But with the news of PFAS and other toxic chemicals found in our drinking water, it's hard to know what we are actually consuming. I was shocked to find out what was actually inside of my water. My water, the water I drink 2 to 4 liters of every single day. Just take a look at this. This is the leftovers from the water that I normally would have ingested into myself. Just distilled down with only the contamination left. In here we have things like lead and mercury, pharmaceutical medicine residues. We got herbicides, pesticides, limescale, fluoride that calcifies your pineal gland, your access to your spiritual data, and much more unknown that we absolutely do not want in our bodies. After seeing the reports, there's something in the water that I don't want. I went and bought a water distillation machine. This machine removes the water from the contaminants by boiling the water and collecting the evaporated water until only the contaminant is left in the tank. It is the best way to remove viruses and bacteria, and it's a consistent way to clean water. Some people might be worried about losing important minerals from the water when distilling it, but we can easily add electrolytes and minerals back by adding a pinch of Himalayan salt. We can also add lemon to the water to re-add some of those minerals. Or just make sure to eat enough mineral-rich foods throughout the day. As I understand, you should not be getting your minerals and vitamins and stuff from the water. You should consume high-quality, mineral, vitamin-rich foods every single day and then use the distilled water to flush out all the toxins. While there are some cons of using a water distillation machine, like the power cost of running a semi-loud boiling machine in your kitchen 4 hours every day, or the water routine, filling up glass bottles, putting them in the fridge and every day filling up and running the machine every day to always have enough water available. But honestly, right now I think it's completely worth it. The pros outweighs the cons. The water is super tasty and I know it's clean. I'm currently looking into getting a more productive and advanced water filtration system where there always is cold and clean, filtered and remineralized water from a tap by the sink. If you already own a filter, comment down below and share what kind of system you are using, or if you don't have a water filter yet, what kind of system you would like to have in the future. Don't let contaminated water harm your health. So invest in a water filtration system in some kind, in some form, and make sure you're drinking clean water every single day. If you're drinking water from a plastic container, like a plastic bottle, I suggest that you go check out this video up here. You might want to replace your plastic water bottle after watching that video. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.